Okay, we're going to try that again. Had a phone call come in and knocked me off. So it's Todd Bartusek with Berkshire Hathaway Real Estate and the All Metro Real Estate Group. So I'm standing in a brand new listing that's going to go live in the MLS tomorrow in District 66, but showings won't start until Monday. It's a totally updated ranch. I'm spinning it around here. It's in Sunset. The address is 1510 South 93rd Street. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, has a 4th non-conforming bedroom down. Absolutely beautiful. Executive finishes, white trim. You can see granite countertop. It's an open floor plan. It's got an addition on the back of it. So you can see really just state-of-the-art kitchen. White cabinets. It's basically like new construction, but it's in the middle of town. If you go look at new construction out in West Omaha, everything is pretty much white and gray scales. This house is gorgeous. It's going on the market tomorrow. $399, totally updated ranch in District 66. If you know anybody looking in the area, especially for a ranch with main floor laundry, which is almost impossible to find. Were those bison pictures? Let me check that out, B-Mick. Let me go back here and look. Bison pictures. I don't think so, Brian. But I'm gonna keep looking. Well, if it was those, you looking at those, Brian? Those trees? It could have been. It could have looked like bison when I walked by fast. All right, so hardwood floors, upgraded white doors, white trim throughout. Here's the main floor bath, double vanity. You can see granite countertops, marble floors, beautiful fixtures. Yeah, Brian, that was just that picture of whatever the heck I just said it was. I already walked away now. Here's one of the rooms that this guy or the seller is actually using as an office. But nice size. This room here, there's a dog in there right now, so I'm not going to go in there. Here's the master bed, has his and her closets, but an unbelievable master bath. The light on here. Really nice ceramic tile shower all the way around. Actually has main floor laundry right in the bathroom, but he is actually not living here right now, so that's where your laundry would be. It's main floor laundry in a District 66 ranch. Really hard to find. Again, this is going to hit the market tomorrow. Showings do not start until Monday, so if you know somebody looking, share this video or let me know. Again, it's 3 bedrooms on the main, 2 bathrooms up. Here's kind of a little sitting area here right in the open kitchen area. See, it's open with the great room. This is a step out here to a covered 3-season porch, which is pretty cool. I'll show you the backyard here real quick. We got neighbors out in the backyard. So you see you got a flat yard, got a nice shed, really nice trees back here. Beautiful day finally in Omaha, so everybody's finally outside. $1510 South 93rd Street is the address. $399 is going to be the offering price. Hitting the market tomorrow. If you know anybody, let me know. I'll walk downstairs here real quick. It's a finished basement. It's about just shy of 2,300 square feet on the main, so it's pretty good size. Does have newer windows throughout also. About 2,300 square feet on the main. We got about 900 down, so it's pretty good size. About 3,200 total. Brand new carpet. You see, look, just freshly vacuumed for you guys. Here's the lower level finished area. So you got nice neutral colors, kind of a grayscale all the way throughout. Got a 3/4 bath down. Hello, Leah. Shouldn't you be at the gym right now? So again, guys, if you know anyone looking in District 66 and especially looking for something that's totally updated and with a main floor laundry, which is, again, next to impossible to find, let me know, because like I said, this one's probably going to go fast. Anything in the district that's updated, it's been flying off the shelf. So let me know what I can do to help. And you guys have a great Thursday. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.